History. Agilis, a prominent name in the marine industry, traces its roots back to a vision for cutting-edge jet boats. Founded by pioneers with a passion for innovation, Agilis has become synonymous with excellence in jet boat manufacturing. The company's journey has been marked by a commitment to pushing the boundaries of design and performance, leading to the creation of a diverse range of jet boat models. Best inventions. Agilis has consistently pushed the envelope in jet boat design, evident in its impressive range of models. The Agilis 355C stands out with a powerful 1,630 cc's engine, reaching a top speed of 46 knots 85 km/h, making it a thrilling choice for enthusiasts. The Agilis 360D, featuring a 1,395 cc's diesel engine, showcases innovation in propulsion, providing a unique option for those seeking fuel efficiency without compromising performance. Recent developments. Agilis continues to evolve its product line with recent developments in jet boat technology. The Agilis 560D, equipped with Mercury diesel engines, reflects the latest advancements in power and speed. With an emphasis on meeting the diverse needs of boaters, Agilis remains at the forefront of the industry, adapting to emerging trends and technological advancements. Current status. As of December 2023, Agilis maintains a strong presence in the marine market, offering a comprehensive range of jet boats catering to various preferences, boasting impressive specifications, including top speeds ranging from 35 to 40 knots and capacities accommodating up to 10 persons. Agilis continues to attract water enthusiasts worldwide,